Welcome to my channel.
Key001 official vlog.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. Turn my mind down to my soul, you touched my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. Days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. I am all alone without you. You came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. I feel the chill inside. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Minsan lang ang nagpupunta
sapat na sakitan lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo. Di binubunyakan ang iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Pati papatulan ang pagsuyong nagkulang, tayong umaasa, hilaga at kanluran. Ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kanlungan mo, akong sasakip sa'yo. Saan nga ba patungo? Kaya ba ka nahihiwagaan? Ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo. Pati ba sabihin hindi mo maamin? Ipauubaya na lang bato sa hangin. Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Suko at ngunit ang diwang malaya, wag na wag mapapayapa. Ikaw ang pag-ibig, pakinggan ang himig ko. Wala na sanang lalayo. Hanggang ito ay higit ko.
Sa pagpatag ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto, pintig ng puso. Ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko, simula ng matanto na balang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ng may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Humihintong sa bawat oras ng tagpo, ang pag-ikot ng mundo. Ngumingiti ng kusa aking puso, pagkat nasagot na ang tanong. Nag-aalala noon kung may magmamahal sa'kin ng tunay. For me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shared my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his soul. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. 'Cause we are still kids and we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Na naman ako, nag-aabang ng bago sa istorya ko. Paulit-ulit na lang, paulit-ulit na lang.
Ito na naman ako, tinitignan sa nagkamali ang puso ko. parang walang katapusan. Walang katapusan.
Kahit pilitin pang sarili, ibigin kang mali. Ako'y mali, ako'y mali. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Kailangan bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Eto na naman ako, parang hindi nadadala ang puso ko.
Kahit nasusugatan, aking ipaglaban.
Kahit pilitin pang sarili, ibigin kang mali. Parang mali, parang mali. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano bang magmahal? Kailangan bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari, ngunit ayaw lumisan.
Kailan ba ang tamang panahon?
Kailan ba
Magkakataon
ayan na
ang puso mo, ang puso ko. Paano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan?
Umiiyak na lang palagi,
Gusto ko na
paano bang magmahal? Kailangan bang nasasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi,
lagi lang di maaari.
umiiyak na lang palagi.
Lagi na lang di maaari.
Ngunit ayaw lumisan. Eto na naman ako, nag-aabang ng bago sa istorya ko.